Transport Minister Byrathi Suresh carried out a surprise inspection of Bengaluru Metropolitan Transport Corporation services on July 11th by travelling without revealing his identity on more than 10 BMTC buses across Bengaluru over 2 hours to assess the quality of public transport. To avoid being recognized, the minister wore a face mask and travelled between 7:10 pm to 9:10 pm on multiple routes including Jai Mahal, TV Tower, RT Nagar, CBI Road, Bellary Road, Hebbal, Bopasandra, Manyata Tech Park, Nagwara, Hennur and Byrathi. Throughout the inspection, he purchased tickets for every journey and interacted with fellow passengers to gather first-hand feedback on the quality of BMTC services. During the inspection, the minister witnessed a BMTC bus bearing registration number KA57F3372 fail to stop for a passenger waiting at the Fun World bus stop despite the commuter signaling the driver to halt. Taking immediate action, Byrathi Suresh directed officials to suspend the bus driver Mustaq and conductor Dayanand for the lapse. The inspection also brought to light issues beyond BMTC operations. While travelling a short distance by Autorickshaw near Hebbal, the minister found the driver demanding 36 rupees even though the fare meter displayed 30 rupees. When questioned about the discrepancy, the driver admitted that the meter required recalibration. The minister eventually paid 40 rupees before leaving. In another incident, while travelling on a BMTC bus, the minister attempted to purchase 2 tickets using a 100 rupees note. The conductor informed him that he did not have sufficient change and insisted that passengers without the exact fare should get off the bus. Without revealing his identity or engaging in an argument, the minister quietly got off the bus. The surprise inspection was aimed at assessing the passenger experience and identifying operational shortcomings in Bengaluru's public transport system through first-hand observation without BMTC officials or staff knowing the minister's identity during the exercise. So viewers, do you think surprise inspections like this can improve BMTC services? Let us know in the comment section for more such updates. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.